Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to bring you a little review and kind of packing video on a rough and tumble bag that I recently unboxed. I think I did it yesterday or the day before, and I have used it for 2 days now, and I know that's a very short period before I do a review, but I'm just very excited about this bag. I just needed to share it as soon as possible. So the Rough and Tumble brand is based in Maine in the USA. They do make beautiful, unique, handmade leather, wax canvas, linen, all sorts of different bags. You can custom make your own bag on their website. I will put the link down below for them. There is also a Superfans Facebook page that I joined recently, and that's how I kind of got addicted to this beautiful brand. But the bag I wanted to share with you guys today, it is a Hobo pack. Now the Hobo pack is one of their convertible bags, and they do make several different styles, and in each style are about up to 4 different sizes. So the one I have today is a small, and here it is here. And the beautiful thing about these bags is that they do come in leather. There's leather and canvas mixed ones as well, and they're all different names and everything. I'm still learning, so please be patient with me. If you are a Rough and Tumble fan and you're watching this video, I'm trying my best to get my head around all the terminology and all the different leathers and everything. So the nice thing about Rough and Tumble is they do have loads of different leather types that you can get, loads of different colors you can get, and this is the small in just the side pocket style. And this was I'm pretty sure this was a custom bag. I did get this from the Superfans page, Facebook page, which I will also link below for you guys to check out. And because I wanted to get something that was on a budget, that was beautiful, but just so to try out the brand. And since then I have ordered some other bags as well that are coming, and I will share those with you when they get here too. So I think somebody said this is indigo haze, and I'm pretty sure this is a huckleberry color on the side here. But the interesting thing is not all the leathers are the same texture. These ones here are quite smooth. They also have cowhide and lamb skin leather, which I find interesting. So as I go along, I will kind of share my experiences with you guys. But for now, I am just so excited and so impressed with this little bag. So the beautiful thing about this is that it does come with one strap that goes all the way from one side around to the other, like this. And this is the new generation strap that has adjusters on the side here, so you can adjust it. And the nice thing about that is that it can suit shorter people and taller people. I'm 5'9", so for me to wear this bag was very comfortable. I do have a little video that I am going to pop up at the end of it on the body, showing you the different ways to wear this one. And just be aware in that video, I have noticed my back's a little skewed, so if the bag looks a little bit to the one side of my back than the other, it's not a fault of the bag, it's a fault of my body. So just don't think that, oh my gosh, it's uneven. It's uneven because I'm uneven, but it feels comfortable. So anyways, so this is what it looks like when it's just in Hobo. You can get D-rings added and an additional Hobo strap, but I am just going to add one onto this adjuster here when I do get one. And when you want to put it into backpack mode, you just pull the sides here, and that middle bit cinches up and it goes into backpack mode. So as I said, I am 5'9", I'm quite tall. This was very comfortable for me. It was awesome. It was very comfortable over my shoulder. And the amazing thing about this is that I was able to use this as a diaper bag, as a mum bag, as a toddler bag, as a just older kids. I used it for all sorts of trips. I didn't have to switch my bag out at all, and that's so good for me, because I'm really kind of getting out of the whole having to switch my bag every time. I'm getting out of the whole diaper bag, kind of typical diaper bag look. I still love a lot of my other brands, but this one in particular is so versatile that no wonder it's caught my attention. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go and show you how I have it packed right now. Now today I had my 3 children with me. My youngest is at school, so I had my 8, 9, and 5-year-old. We went out for breakfast, went and did some errands. I had to do some drop paperwork off and stuff. So I do have it packed for those kids. And then I also had it packed yesterday as a nappy bag, as a diaper bag. So I do have a few things here. I have a couple of pull-ups, a Y pouch, and a little pouch here that has some Swiggies in it, because I had both my girls. And it fit that as well. So I will show you the 2 different ways. Of course, as a mum bag, everybody packs their bag differently for your own personal uses. So if you can kind of imagine how it's packed today, just take out the play pack that's in here, and that's pretty much how I pack it all the time. So we'll get into the packing portion, and as I'm doing that, I will go over the features of the bag, and if you have any questions or anything, leave them below, and I'll go ahead and answer those, but let's get right to it. I do want to apologize for the brewing in the background. It is 35 degrees Celsius right now, and it is bloody hot, so I'm keeping the air conditioner on where I am, otherwise I'm just going to like overheat. So I will try to reduce that sound as much as possible, or I'll just talk over it. So anyways, so here we go. Outside, as I said, this is all leather, beautiful leather. There's a zipper pull here that I have that opens up the main section, but in the front here, there is a pocket. Now this pocket is quite small, but my iPhone 10 did fit in there perfectly. I'm guessing I could get my glasses in here. I'm not sure. This is a small set piece by Jujubee. So let me see. I think, yeah, so you can get a small set piece in there. Now, I don't think all these are exactly the same size. So if you custom make your bag and you want this pocket a little bigger, I'm pretty sure that you can request to have it a little bit bigger. Don't quote me on it, but I'm pretty sure that that's how that works. So this is silver hardware on here on the adjusters, which is really pretty, and it's like a it's not a bright silver, it's a very mute silver, which is really nice. And on this particular bag, the zipper, it looks like it's like a haze or like a gray, but you can get different color zippers if you custom make your bags. It's just amazing. I haven't done one yet custom made because it's so hard to choose, and I might wait till I get to the USA to do that. So let's get into the center of the bag. So the zippers are really nice and smooth. You do have a really nice pliable zipper pull here, and it's nice and big. Okay, this is going to be difficult to film because it is leather and it is quite floppy, but when it's packed, it does hold its shape really well. So here it is here. Now this is, as I said, I have this packed for myself and my other kids. I only brought something for Anastasia to entertain herself. The boys just sat there, all they talked, all they used what she was using. My older kids are so good, they just sit there and entertain themselves, really. Okay, so the organization on the inside of this bag, you have two slip pockets here. This is a linen, feels like a linen lined bag. It actually feels like it's pretty wipeable inside here. And then inside these two pockets, there are two leather pockets that are actually quite large. So in this side, I have my Top Fox sunglasses, and then in the other pocket over here, little pocket, I have a coin purse by Jujubee with my hair ties and hair clips and stuff in there. And then in the little pockets on one side, I have my Carry Kit George wallet, which I adore. I have not switched out from this wallet since I started using it. It's beautiful. I do have a review for this, and I'll pop the card up the top or down below. And then on the other side, I have a small set piece by Jujubee with my Army Med Kit things, and I usually have a hand sanitizer in there too. And I also have a coin purse in here with just some panty liners for myself. This is a coin purse by Jujubee. So that was in those pockets, and I'll just flip the bag around. So this is now the front side, okay? There is a zip pocket in the front here, and this zip pocket, there is another really kind of decent sized leather pocket there as well. And in here I have another coin purse with some disposable baggies, so I just pop that back in there. I just keep that in there all the time. And then in this big zip pocket I have my Baby Olay tote bag if I'm going shopping and things. This has a nice zipper pull on there as well that is leather, so that's really nice. So on this side there is actually a key hook here that comes with a really nice leather removable lobster clip cord. I don't think the word. So this is designed to put your keys on if you wanted to, or you could take it off and use it as a wrist strap if you have a wallet or a clutch. So I actually removed this, and instead I have my keys attached here with my NCO key hook, and it worked really well. This is a nice key hook in that it is on the side of the bag instead of in the middle. So I can put my keys on here and tuck it into the side of the bag, and it doesn't get in the way of anything else that's in my bag. So I really did enjoy that. Now I'm going to leave those on there because that's going to be on there when I pack it for as a diaper bag. So the rest of the things in the center is I have a Sunny Life thermos bottle, and this is an Australian brand, and I will put the website below. These are really good. They're thermos stainless steel bottles, and my daughter is only 3, but she can drink out of these. I'm very much a mum that teaches my kids to do things early because it just makes life easier for me. Next to that, I do have another small set piece by Jujubee with my lipsticks and things in there. If you're really interested in what ones I use. And then the rest of the things in here, I have a play pack by Custom Made that just has some colouring things in there for my 5-year-old. And I have a Y pouch mini that I take when I'm using this as a handbag and such. It just takes up less room, and always have wipes with me, especially if I've got kids, even by myself. And then I just have some paperwork stuff back here. I had to go get my name and change done in Australia, so I get a passport. So that's what that is in there. Receipt. And that's the inside of the bag there. It actually says on the bottom here, if you can see, but it says Rough and Tumble on the bottom. So you can see there in the tag. And that's on the bottom of the bag. Sorry, it's not the best view. Angle of the dangle. So the nice thing about this bag is once it's empty, it's really flat. You can fold it up. You can store it really easy. So when I travel to the US, I can, to move, I'm planning on taking all of my Rough and Tumble bags and just fold them up, put them in my suitcase. So that's pretty nifty. Okay, so now I am going to pack it up as a nappy bag. Okay, so those are all my mummy things kind of on that side of the bag. Now in this zip pocket back here which I had my Baby Olay tote in, I'm actually going to put my nappy things in there. So I've already got the disposable baggies in this little coin purse here. Now I've got 2 pull-ups here that I'm actually going to put into that pocket. I don't take a change pad anymore because my daughter's learning to potty train, so, well, she's starting to, so it's easier in pull-ups. And then in the center, so this is how I had it for my 2 girls, so a 3-year-old and 5-year-old. So I have the play pack for my 5-year-old, put that back in the back there. I have a full Y pouch for both girls. I like to take a full one when I've got the little one with me, just in case. And then I also had a small set piece of little swiggies in there for my 3-year-old. So I put that in there like that. And I've got my lipstick and lip gloss thing, so put that next to that like that. I'm going to put my little handy liner thing back into here with the hand sanitizer and stuff. And then I can actually fit this drink bottle. It's kind of like in between the 2 pockets here. You can see there's like a little hole, so that actually fits in there like that. So that's nice and organized. You can see in there. Zip that up. And then in the front here is where I put my phone. Now because I have this little stand thing, I like to put that facing the back of the bag and it slips in a lot easier. So there you go. So that's how I had it as a nappy, toddler, kind of bigger kid bag. And I know this is not a diaper, marketed as a diaper bag, but you can so use it as a diaper bag. And I love that I can use it for both that purpose and as a mum bag and as an older kid's bag, which means these bags can be definitely used way past baby years into adult years. So I'm really loving the Rough and Tumble brand. If you have any questions, again, please pop them below. If you have any comments, if you like the video, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these types of videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.